what's up? What's up? How are you? Dang, that is alive. Whoa. So what you got here is the Class A knot skills I learned in, what do you call them? Boy Scouts? Yeah, I learned these in Boy Scouts. It's a freaking nightmare. Okay, we're almost out, I think.
A few moments later.
No, I'm saying just get your.
It's through the handle.
A few minutes later.
Oh, that's just an added.
One eternity later.
Keep pulling. Yay! Okay.
Slide into the mom's head.
Oh, perfect. Perfect. All right. Finally, let's get on the road. About to enter in a tunnel right now, and everyone.
About to enter the Lincoln.
The Lincoln Tunnel. We're entering the Lincoln Tunnel right now, and if you guys have never played this game, we're gonna try it, although I don't suggest you do this at home. All you have to do is hold your breath from the start to the finish of the tunnel.
Does it start officially?
Right when you get in.
Right when we enter. Okay, ready.
All right, I'm out. I'm out. This thing is way too long.
Okay, ready? I'm out. How long was that? That was at least 3 minutes.
All right, we're a quarter of the way there.
The concentration. Traffic.
I can't hold it any longer. We all this. What is up, guys, and welcome back to the vlog. If you guys are new here, my name is Evan. Today we find ourselves at AutoCon, New York City, inside this really cool little garage right by a pier, Pier 94. And we're here early. We're just about to set up the throtl booth right next to Hunt & Co. And I'm just taking a quick little stroll around because usually this is the only time I get to actually walk around a car show and check it out. I just saw a car over here I have to go look at. This is something you do not see in California very often. Ready? Boom! GTR M spec with the Nismo wheels. Man, so clean. And you got the new GTR, you got the old one. I'm sorry, I mean, you see these things everywhere, and although this one looks sick. Ah, that's what I love. So the throtl booth is officially set up. We got everything all laid out right here. Woo! Uh-oh. Not sure if I can show you guys those.
Just last week you called me. The way you're talking is driving me insane. Hello. Hello.
Makes me want to put a Rocket Bunny kit on the E36 M3. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. So for those of you who are saying I shouldn't bag the M3, I give you this. Dang. Look at that.
I've seen like 5 cars.
That's pretty good right there. Pretty good. Bagged R8 on BBS LMs. Woo. That is fire.
Around the troops. We're gonna go around the troops. We're gonna go hyped up, ready for AutoCon.
Let's see how the people are doing outside. It's looking pretty hot. Let's see if they'll let me out here.
What up?
Tell all the BAs I said what's up. I'm reaching out to the chat right now. BA squad, baby, what's up?
Turn the corner when you come in.
Yeah, I got you.
Absolutely.
Where's everyone else inside?
Yeah.
Alex.
What number do you have?
It's 62. Hey, can't wait to get inside, guys. The line is huge. It's insane. So if you missed out, there's always going to be another one next year. But definitely get here early, because anything that happens here in New York happens 10 times over. So you already know. Be prepared.
What's up? What's up, guys?
Holy crap, this is insane.
What up? Evan, hey, what's up, man? How are you? What's up? How are you?
Dang, that is a line.
What's up to the vlog?
How you doing, vlog? Shout out to all my boys out there. Shout out to this guy. He's such a trash.
Starting to get tired. The fourth NOS is kind of hitting me right now, but you guys keep me going, so we'll check back in with you guys when the entire show is over. That is pretty much a wrap at New York City AutoCon. You guys are freaking amazing. That was literally the best show we have ever done. So I just want to say a huge shout out to anyone who came out today. My voice is pretty much gone. We've been talking for over 6 hours straight with no breaks. Oh my God. It is getting so loud in here. Oh. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing to our channel. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. We'll see you guys in the next one. I wanted to wrap up today's video with kind of a little chat with you guys, and I just wanted to express my gratitude, my thanks to every single person who came out to New York City. We've never traveled that far with our booth, and the amount of support in New York City was really good and really awesome and motivating too. So if you guys have been subscribed to our channel for a long time, I also wanted to say thank you. And if you're a new subscriber, I wanted to also say thank you, and I hope you guys are enjoying all the content we put out so far. I do want to say that there is so much cool stuff coming. We have a ton of videos planned for Mickey's FDRX7, as well as the new Subaru WRX, and my M3 is finally going on the dyno, so we have the M50 intake manifold install, a couple other things as well. One other announcement I want to make is that the VIP sweepstakes winner for June, the announcement will be taking place tomorrow. So if you are a current VIP member, you know you automatically got entered to win $5,000 shopping spree for new performance parts. We're going to be picking the winner tomorrow on the throtl YouTube channel. You're going to see it all over Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, etc., etc. But definitely stay tuned to that. And you guys don't want to miss the announcement of what we're giving away next. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. And we'll see you guys in the next one.